With remove duplicates, you can easily and quickly search for duplicates, unique and empty rows. Here we'll demonstrate just how easy it is by searching for duplicate orders in this demo spreadsheet we have open. With the add-on open, we select all the rows and columns. Next, choose what we would like to search for. In this instance, we want duplicates and the first occurrence. Which columns we want to search across. Here we want to look for duplicate order IDs. What action we want to take. Highlighting the rows is fine for now. Finally, hit search. And it's as simple as that. We can continue working with the data if we need to. For instance, I would like to now move all duplicates found into a new sheet. All we need to change is the action we would like to perform. In this instance, we want to move to a new sheet. Hit search and you're done.